In this tutorial, we will explore how to sum numbers in Excel by using a formula when cells are not equal to a specific value. We'll take a look at a practical example using the SUMIF function to achieve this. Open your Excel workbook and identify the data range that you want to work with. In our example, we have a range of fruits, named fruit, and their corresponding quantities, named amount. In an empty cell, write the formula equals sum if left bracket fruit, less than greater than apple, amount right bracket. Fruit refers to the range with your fruit names. You can select B2, B9. Then in name box define a new name for this range. Less than greater than apple signifies that we want to sum the quantities for fruits that are not equal to apple. Amount is the range containing the quantities you wish to sum. Select C2. C9, in name box define a new name for this range. After writing the formula, press the Enter key. Excel will calculate the sum based on your criteria. The cell will display the sum of quantities for fruits other than apple. And there you have it. You've learned how to sum numbers in Excel using a formula when cells are not equal to a specific value. This can be incredibly useful for various scenarios in your worksheets. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to explore more Excel techniques or have any questions, please feel free to ask or check out our other tutorials.